Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, for every blessing seen and unseen. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, for the grace that guides our hearts so keen. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, for the love that surrounds us every day. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, for the light that shows us the righteous way. In the morning light, I see your signs, in the whispering in your love aligns. For every heartbeat, for every breath, I praise you, my Lord, until my death. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, for every blessing seen and unseen.